Hi, my name is Russell and I'm a new student at SMC. I still don't know what I want to major in, so I'm currently undecided. But I recently learned about the areas of interest at SMC and I want to take a minute and show you how it works. First, you want to type smc.edu. Now you want to scroll down a little and look for areas of interest, which is going to be the second slide. Now you want to scroll down again and it's going to show you 8 different areas that you can choose from. Now you want to choose the area that interests you the most. In my case, it's going to be health and wellness. As you can see, it lists degrees and certificates and it shows you all the jobs that are related to the area that you chose. You want to choose a job, the one that interests you the most. In my case, it's going to be respiratory therapy. As you can see, it also gives you an introduction about what the program is about. You're also able to see the requirements that you need in order to complete this program. If you want to view those requirements, all you have to do is press View Requirements, and it shows you all the classes that you need to take. If you scroll down a little bit more, you can see other jobs that you might be interested in that are related to the area that you chose. Areas of interest also shows you the career salary info, which is going to be all the way at the bottom. If you press on the job title, it's going to send you to a different tab where you can see live job postings. Now you're going to be able to see all the jobs around your area. As an undecided student, I found this very helpful and I definitely recommend going on the SMC website and checking out the areas of interest to all students and the SMC community.